Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap Settings, Chats, and Chat Backup to view backup details. The screen shows the Google account used and the phone number associated with that backup. Look under Backup to Google Drive for the last backup date and file size. Note the backup frequency settings such as daily, weekly, or monthly. If you see end-to-end encrypted backup enabled, your backup has extra protection. Open a File Manager app and navigate to Internal Storage or SD card, then WhatsApp Databases. Local backups are stored in the /WhatsApp/Databases folder on your phone. Look for files named MSG StoryIMMDD 1 DB, Crypt 12 to identify dated backups. The file modified date shows when the backup was created, and file size shows its space usage. To transfer, copy the latest MSG store file to a computer or external storage for safekeeping. When reinstalling WhatsApp, place the file back in the same folder before setup to restore. On iPhone, open WhatsApp, then Settings, Chats, Chat Backup to check iCloud backups and size. iPhone backups use iCloud Drive and require the same Apple ID and phone number to restore. Confirm iCloud has enough free storage, and that WhatsApp has iCloud Drive permission enabled in Settings. If you plan to switch platforms, know that full chat restores do not transfer between Android and iPhone automatically. Use Chat Export or third-party transfer tools for selected conversations and media when moving between platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.